люди работают.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Helicopters. Flying today.
Yeah?
You have tickets?
How much?
Hey, gentlemen. This is what we have available for you guys. We have the first, second, and third. Okay. We have the Liberty Tour. It's $139. An additional 30 in fees. It's $169 each for the 15-minute. This one right here is going to show you the Brooklyn Bridge. This bridge right here. As you're taking off, it's going to come around. You'll see Battery Park. You're going to see World Trade Center site Freedom Tower, Statue of Liberty. See Governor's Island. It's going to come up this way. You'll see the Intrepid, big battleship.
15 minutes?
Yes. You'll see the Empire State Building. You'll see Central
This
Park.
price one person?
Yes. And you see Rockefeller Center, Central Park. Then it's going to bring you back here. The first tour, right here. Okay.
Special
Second tour. That's the best tour. You're going to get it, believe it or not. That's the cheapest. Other companies, they're going to charge you